This video has been gladly sponsored by Brfans. Brfans is a Chinese merchandising website which sells football jerseys, which ranges from the club jerseys to national team jerseys, but also NBA jerseys. These are all replica jerseys which have a very decent price, and it won't hurt to save a bunch of money. I don't know when my last video was. I think like 1.5 months ago. I've been really busy. As you can see, I got here my Austrian delivery worker t-shirt on me. It's just a summer job. Yeah, I'll do another video about that in the next videos. I have so many announcements, but I will part them into different videos. And yeah, my current video, so this video is like a continuation from the last video. The last video was the video about Brfans, but a user put a claim on it, so I can't reactivate this video on YouTube again, even though I wrote YouTube a huge or long message to clarify my point that I cannot understand or sympathize with this decision of not reactivating my video, but this doesn't discourage me from doing videos again, because videos are the things that make me happy. And yeah, but the main question is who snitched on me, so because of the deactivation of my video. But I don't care anymore. But Brfans luckily reached out again to me and sent me another package. It's another package with jerseys in it, because they wanted to say thank you for the last video, which got taken down by YouTube, and I'll do another unboxing on that. Let's get to the unboxing. Well, my jersey collection continues to grow. I chose particular jerseys because of the Olympics in Tokyo. Let's talk about the first jersey I'm super duper excited about. It's the Team USA football jersey with Aaronson on it. As you can see, it comes also with the Nike bag on it, so Brfans, you never disappoint me when it comes to these jerseys. So you guys know Brenden Aaronson from my Red Bull video is one of my favorite football players currently. Look at that. Wow. This is the Team USA men's jersey. Really like how they took care of the details, because here you can see the USA logo. Also here on the collar, USA with the banner. It really does look like the original Team USA jersey with the Nike SB sign. Yeah, Team USA went very classic on their jerseys, and I really like that. You can also observe the FIFA logo. It's for the World Cup 2022 qualifications, for the qualifiers. And I really like this. I really love how the Team USA jersey is more for a basic look. So this is not like an over, they didn't too much on their appearances for the Team USA national jerseys. I would definitely wear this for just a casual look or when I'm just going out, because this is very huge. I think this is also the jersey they're going to wear in the Olympics when they're playing there. Yeah, it's not only for the qualifiers but also for the Olympics. And now this is what I'm the most excited about. This is really insane. This is dedicated to the anime Captain Tsubasa. Maybe some of you know, it's a really old football anime, and they did a collab with the Japanese national team. Look at that. I think they made it for the World Cup 2018 in Russia. They made a collab with Adidas. Wow, I really look at those details. The details are amazing, and the numbers, the number 10 is concluded with the key scenes from the anime, also here behind that. That's crazy. That's crazy. It also has this FIFA patch with Tsubasa on it. Oh man, I'm definitely gonna wear this when I'm outside or something. And as you can see, it's from the World Cup in Russia 2018. Wow. And I love how they didn't miss any details, because here's also the Japanese sign for warrior spirit, because the Japanese football team is considered as the Blue Warriors. I like this. I really love this. This is so crazy looking. This is amazing. Oh, I'm literally speechless. Also has the Japanese flag and the logo. So this is perfect. This is not only for the World Cup 2018 but also for the Olympics in Tokyo right now. This is perfect because Japan has a perfect run right now in the football section, but I also think they got at least one medal in every discipline, which is pretty insane. But yeah, so I can't wait to show the shots right now.
Hasn't life always been about striving for greatness? About making the seemingly impossible possible?
「東京の空に日の丸を掲げる」「何度でも這い上がる」「このままでは終わらない」
「なでしこを世界最強のチームに」
「誰よりも上手くなりたい」
「悔しいと思えればまだまだ上に行ける」
日本の絶対的なエースになる。
世界を驚かすのは俺たちだ。
Well, yeah, I hope you liked my short vlog for today. As you guys know or see, I am pretty grateful that Brfans reached out to me for giving me these jerseys, because I'm just a huge Jersey fan, and Brfans is really changing the game with these prices. I'll link them down below in the description box, and yeah, it won't hurt to save a bunch of money. And yeah, I will try to do more videos, to be more active. This month has a little bit challenging just because of my summer job. It's been really busy, but I'll give my best to be as active as possible. And yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you subscribe. It's free and you can always change your mind. Until then, see you next time.